Hello guys, today we're here for a bike video. Okay, we're gonna try to ride up my bike. Here, let's try it like, you're gonna have an experience that nobody did. Yeah. This bike is heavy. Yeah. So I did it. Okay. I hope y'all can see, but let's go. My hands are free. Whoa, that's so cool. Woo! This motorcycle goes 22 or 28 or 30 miles per hour. And it's very loud for y'all. Y'all are close to the electric. You can also get this bike at Best Buy. And it's $249, I think. And there's some also good sizes. I have the max size because I'm 9.5. I'm almost being 10. Whoa, my God. Oh. This is working. This is also my first time. Y'all sub to J-Man Curly. I copied him. I'm using some blue tape instead of yellow. So J-Man, please comment on one of my videos. I'm a big fan. And I have blue tape instead of yellow. But still, can you still like and subscribe? Any of y'all subscribe, like, or comment? Please. I can do lives streaming. If I hit 50 subscribers, I can do live streaming. So yeah, y'all please like and subscribe and comment. Okay, this might be the end of our video. Whoa, dang, that's cool. Whoa. Oh, that might be all, guys.